Hello and welcome. This is your average Mac, and today we're gonna check out and unbox the ThickRare Phantom RGB mechanical keyboard. It is a 10 keyless keyboard. It means that you don't have any number keys here on the side, which is perfect for people who doesn't have much of a desk space. This keyboard is available on Amazon for $45.99, and it came with the Utemu blue switch. I tried to look for the brown and red switches, but they didn't sell it right now. Probably they ran out of stock. So, I mean, they're selling good based on the reviews. It's 4.5 stars. So, it's really good deal for $45.99. If you're upgrading from the combo cheapo keyboards, this is one of the best upgrades you can make on your peripherals. But before we open this, we're gonna check the back for the specs, what it says here, and the dimension. We have it here. And next is the lifespan. Utemu blue switches are really good. They're a knockoff of the Cherry MXs, which is a pretty good imitation. With 50 million keystrokes, you can never go wrong with it. And the interface, USB 2.0. It's a 10 keyless, as I have said. A metal alloy backplate, which is really good. I heard this is heavy. The box is heavy, so I can tell this the keyboard is heavy. So we have the LED lighting is RGB. It's individually lit, like addressable, which is really good. And it has a 1-year warranty. It's for Mac and Windows compatible, which is really good too. And it has a software. Says here from the website you can just download it there, which is we're gonna check it out later if it is good or not. Probably it's if it is good, it can change all the colors, whatever like shortcuts you want to do with it. You want to go rainbow colorings, whatever, and we're gonna check that out. All right, let's open this up. All right, let's open this up. Oh, okay. Good. I have my knife here. Let's. Not too bad. This is wow. All the glory. Let's check it out like that. And it has a protective cover, the plastic one. You can use this when you were not around and put this on, so that dust will come over to your keyboard. So we'll just put it in the side here. And there's a protective foam, which is really good. I would say decent. Oh wow, the keyboard is really heavy. Let's check out what's in the box. It has the cables. All right. It has underneath it. There's the manual for sure. All right, instructions, which we'll check it out later. We're gonna put it there, and that's underneath the box. There should be extra switches and a switch puller. I forgot to tell you guys that this keyboard is the switches are changeable, so you can buy a compatible Utemu brown or red switch, replace it to whatever keys you want with it. So if you wanna go soft on your WASD keys, swipe it out, and then put the whatever switch you want with it. And that's about it in the box. We're gonna put it on the side here. All right, and here it is after plugging in. It's really good. I like it a lot. It's built really sturdy. I mean, it, it feels quality in here. So even though it's just $45, I think I don't think the only thing I think they skimped on this is the detachable USB, and that was a well thought of idea. I mean, everything is feels really premium, from the keys, from the lighting. Look at that. It's well uniformed, and when you change, like, if you want to change like a pudding keycaps on this, oh, I bet that would be great. It looked good on this. It's heavy, and next is we're gonna check the software for this, and we'll see if it is good or not. Let's go. So after going to the website, this is what you can see after installing it. I'm going to link down below the website in which you can download the software for this. So after installing, it's going to be like this. First is you gotta, of course, change the settings, whatever settings you want with it. The first thing I did is enable like the USB report rate. I put it at 1000 Hz. So click apply, and then here it says your LED editing mode, so you gotta enable it, and this is what happens. So in the drop box here, you can see a lot of like effects. Let's check it out. Before that, let's check on this side here. It's brightness. You can adjust the brightness, the direction, and one of the best, macro. You can edit whatever key you want with it. So that's there. You can press whatever action you want to do. Just record it and press OK. Very good. I like that a lot. Not every $45 keyboard does that. So this is a really good value. Let's check the effects. The horizontal wave and the pulse wave and the breathing and the breathing fixed color, so you can choose whatever color you want with it. Let's just select whatever color. Let's try red. So red. And fixed color, no effects at all. You can just select whatever color with it. Let's put like yellow. Alright, reactive ripple. So when you press, oh, that's cool. When you press something, it will just have a random ripple effect. That's really cool. Vertical wave. That's nice. Sine wave. This is really cool. I'm gonna select red. Ah, awesome. Feels better than the Corsair, I would say. I'm just kidding. This is really good. The vortex. The vortex is really cool. Ooh, this is really good. Reactive. This. All right. And you can do custom if you want WASD to be colored red or yellow or the number keys. It's really good. You can select whatever you have, MMO, MOBA, FPS. So really good. You can select custom one, do whatever you want with it. Press probably, that yellow, or geez, this is unlimited custom. You gotta check it out. You gotta do it yourself. You gotta get this and then try it for yourself. There's a lot in here. And next, we gotta check the ASMR. How does it sound? here are my thoughts. Get this if you want an upgrade from those cheap $10 or free keyboards you have. You can never go wrong with this. The software, the interchangeable switches here. I mean, for $46, all of that, that's a deal steal right there. I would get this, and the software, I'm gonna link it down the website. And thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.